MTECH has been a pioneer in digital construction solutions since 1995. We go through the digitization of the manufacturing industry, as well as the digitization of the construction industry from CAD to BIM, digital twins, and artificial intelligence. We're revolutionizing Hong Kong and China's construction industry with our advanced BIM consulting services. We're BIM experts in design, construction, and facility operation, including architecture, fit-out works, landscape design, structure, building services, and quantity surveying. Our BIM deliverables range from 3D design coordination, drawing production and digital fabrication, 4D phase planning, 5D cost estimation, 6D sustainability evaluation, 7D as-built modeling and asset management, digital construction progress management, heritage information modeling, including 3D scanning and 3D printing, and related BIM training, and our best software solutions, including Dalux, the fastest BIM collaborative NCD platform, Plannerly, ISO 19650 Dynamic Online BIM Execution Plan, Cupix 360 Photogrammetry Digital Twin Scanning Platform, Builders, BIM, AI and 360 photo-based construction progress management platform, and Quonic, IFC-based BIM modeling platform. We will keep our passion and commitment to developing and applying the leading digital technology to the industry and inspire more young people to join the game together to build up our sustainable future through continuous learning and professional development. Tech to leverage innovative technology for a better life.